Install the rear indent module. Remember, your printer or system may not look like the one shown here. Press the power button to power off the printer. Unlock the rear indent module and open the access door. Remove the cassette from the packaging and position the cassette as shown. Turn the left spool clockwise to remove any slack in the supply. Load the new cassette into the module and press until it clicks into place. Make sure the ribbon is installed under the anvil feature located beneath the supply posts, and make sure the supply cassette is secured under the clip when installed. Close the access door and lock the module. If your Sigma DS4 printer has a serial number before XD12813, you need to install the rear module card guide that shipped with your rear indent module. Insert the adapter into the rectangular void on the back of the printer. Press until it pops fully into place. Align the guide posts of the module with the openings at the rear base of the printer and push the module straight into the printer, until an audible click confirms secure contact. Plug the power supply into the module. Plug the power cord into the power supply and the power source. Press the power button and power on the printer. The printer displays ready on the front LCD screen and the status light on the module turns green when ready. Print a test card from the printer's front panel and inspect the indentation. Refer to the Print a Test Card How to video for more information. For more information about your printer, refer to other how-to videos or your printer's user guide.